Children, now you will prepare a list of words from the diagram. Tire, chainstay, chain ring, rank, pedal, tire rim, spoke, brake, lever, handle, tube work, saddle, derailleur, valves, tube, seat, seat stay, shifter, eat post, chain. Very good. Now we will write these words in the proper column. Words that we use in mother tongue without change. Brake, chain, rim, handle, spoke, tube. Words used in mother tongue with few changes. Bicycle, paddle, ring. Word which have equivalent means parallel. Words in mother tongue. Chain, sakli, tire, sak, pedal, paddle. Now tell me other words related to bicycle. Puncture, pump, pom-pom, seat cover, oiling, etc. Very good. Now find out the compound words used in the diagram. Tire rim, tire plus rim. Seat tube, seat plus tube. Chain stay, chain plus stay. Head tube, head plus tube. Down tube, down plus tube. Free wheel, free plus wheel. Very good, children. Now write the opposites of following words. Silently, noisily. Spent, save. Expected, unexpected. Stop, start. Open, close. Narrow, wide. Huge, little. Foil, success. Well done. Students, now note down meanings of some words. Grateful, thankful. आभारी असणे. Object, reason. कारण. Peculiar, strange. विचित्र. Sprang out. Jumped, उडी घेणे. Seized, caught. पकडणे. Tunnel, underground way. बोगदा. Stead, rob something. चोरी. Stain, डाग. Admiration, appreciation. कौतुक करणे. Front, समोर. Suspicious, संशय असणे. Digging, खोदणे. Hope you enjoyed this lesson. Goodbye, children.